2007 Audi A4. It has the cooling fan, they're not working. This is how we're gonna test it, the cooling fan. So we'll put the cooling fan here, then we connect all the plugs, then we go inside. Turn the ignition on. Then we use the webcam. Okay, we select engine. We go to output test. Then we check fan circuit. We check the fan 1 control circuit. Click on that, then start. Yep. So the fan is working. Well, it turned off by itself. Okay, it's very easy. Good luck, guys, when you see the video.